Hello, in front of me I've got Jabra Evolve 265. In this video I'll show you how to personalize your headset. In the beginning make sure that your headphones are connected with the app, and now enter Sound Plus app. Go to Settings, Personalize your headset, and now you can change voice guidance language. Also you can go to Headset Settings, enable auto pause music, auto answer call using boom arm, auto reject call, auto mute, mute reminder, and many more settings. In the end you can go to general and enable sleep mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.